Hi there, my name's Rebecca and I'm from Rebecca Marie Creative. So for my first proper video for YouTube, I am going to be showing you how to create this flamingo design. I asked for people to vote on my Instagram stories either for a mermaid tail design or the flamingo design, which is both available for free on Cricut Design Space. The public voted 53% to the flamingo, so close, but today we're going to be doing the flamingo design. Another thing that I asked my audience to vote on is whether there should be a pastel colour palette for the cardstock or a really bold coloured cardstock, and they voted for the bold cardstock. So we've got lilac, teal, a light blue colour, bold yellow colour, fuchsia pink colour. All of the cardstock I have used in the flamingo design. So how to create, do you ask? You'll see here that I have created my own leaf shape using the basic shapes in Cricut Design Space. This is how you do that. To create the leaves, select the heart shape and the circle shape. Select both in Design Space and then click on the slice tool. This should then remove the negatives. Keep doing this until you're happy with the shape. I have split the body into two colours, the purple neck and the pink body. But if you insert this design into Design Space, you will see that it's just all one colour. I'll now show you how to do this. Find the flamingo design in Images and filter by free. Search for flamingo and you should find it here. Insert a square from the basic shape section and cover it over the neck where you would want to change the colour. Select the body and the square and click Slice. You should now be able to change the neck colour to purple. Then get cutting. Cut out all those heart shapes. There are so many and some of them are so tiny as well. So really pay attention and really make sure you put them all down on your desk as soon as it finishes cutting. Okay, so you should have cut out all the pieces of the flamingo as well as the leaves that I showed you how to create using the heart shape and circle in Cricut Design Space. Next, we're going to have some fun and we're going to be using some glitters. For the pink hearts on the body, we're going to use this copper glitter, and then for the lower part of the body we're going to use this light pink colour, and then for the neck, which we made into hearts that were purple, we are using this purple glitter. And then for the beak I have made it blue and we're going to be using this glitter as well. Now we are going to secure the hearts onto the page. We are now going to switch to the purple for the head and neck. We're going to start by adding the hearts with the glitter in rose gold. Now I'm going to start filling in with the lighter sparkles on the hearts as well. Now we're going to add the legs and the feet. Try to follow the pattern as closely as you can to the design. So for example, this heart now will be going this way with the alternate leg. And that is how you create this flamingo design. It's really easy to make and it's really great to create with kids. I'm definitely going to be doing the Maker's Choice again. head on over to my Instagram and select next week's design that I should pick. What should I do for my next one? Thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And that is how you create